Is dithering still necessary for 24-bit audio mastering? Have you ever wondered if dithering is still a must when mastering audio at 24 bits? Let's break it down and see why this topic is important for audio engineers and producers alike. Dithering is a technique used to minimize distortion when reducing bit depth. When you export or master audio at 24 bits, dithering is still relevant. Even though 24-bit audio has a high resolution, quantization errors can still happen. These errors occur when converting from higher internal bit depths, like 32-bit floating point, to 24-bit. Applying dither introduces a low-level noise that helps randomize these quantization errors. This is especially important in quieter parts of your audio. It preserves detail and dynamic range, which is essential for a polished final product. In most modern digital audio workstations, internal processing often happens at 32-bit floating point or higher. So, when you are ready to export your final 24-bit master file, applying dither should be the last step. This prevents distortion that can arise from reducing the bit depth. It is important to note that dithering should only be applied once on the final stereo output. Avoid applying it multiple times within the same project or on every individual track. This practice helps maintain clarity and prevents unwanted artifacts. While dithering is most critical when downsampling to 16 bits, it is still advisable when exporting 24-bit files. Some audio engineers may argue that dithering at 24 bits is less critical since the noise introduced is less audible. However, it remains a best practice in mastering workflows to ensure the highest audio fidelity. In practical terms, always enable dithering when bouncing or exporting your final mix or master to 24 bits or lower bit depths. If you are exporting at 32-bit floating point or higher, you can safely omit dithering. These formats do not suffer from quantization distortion. By following these guidelines, you can maintain audio quality throughout the mastering process and ensure your final product sounds its best. So, the answer is yes, dithering is still necessary for 24-bit audio mastering to achieve optimal results.